Hey guys, in this video, I want to talk about cheaper is not always better. Okay, we're here on a house doing an inspection. This roof got replaced roughly about 5 years ago. Now, I'm doing a roof inspection and I'm checking to see what the problems are. The homeowner said they don't have any problems other than they want to get it replaced. So we're gonna do a quick inspection and I'm gonna show you that it's not always best to go with the cheapest bid. Let's check it out. We're gonna start on this right side here. As you can tell, the roof got replaced 5 years ago, but all of the pipes and hardware are not painted the same color as the roof. Therefore, it looks a little funky, right? You got a bunch of moving parts. You got some gray, you got some white, you got some black, you got some green. So this particular one here looks like it was there from the previous roof before the 5 years. I can see the hail hits. That one definitely did not get replaced. This one got replaced here, but you can tell that it was installed incorrectly because they put some mastic or some caulking around the pipe, which is incorrect, and not letting the flow of the water run through. It should have a channel where water can flow through freely and run down. It does have some caulking, but it looks like it was the wrong stuff because it has deteriorated. Come to this part here, this definitely looks like it has been leaking. You know, you can tell by all of the sealant, caulking, tar. There's a bunch of stuff going on here. This roof is definitely leaking here, or it was leaking at one point, so they've had somebody come and do a repair. So remind you that this roof got replaced 5 years ago, and here we are again doing an inspection because they are having some problems. Now we're on the back side. Let's talk about this valley. Let's talk about, whoa, hold on, rewind. Look at this. I don't know what's going on here, honestly. I can tell it's gotten damaged and bent back by the wind. I don't know what's up with this, but look at this. This is not what a 5-year-old roof is supposed to look like. Let's get on this side here. Look at this stuff bubbling up. We got tar. We got more tar. We got tar, asphalt going all the way up the valley. This is all where water's coming in. Not good. Let's move on. That have ripped back. Not sure what's going on there, but we can move over here to the top here as well. Look at this. I just don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Look at these tabs. You know, you're supposed to have like the brick look to it, and then here we have like the folder look, which is totally incorrect. We got some asphalt there. This roof has got several leaks. Look at this here. This roof, look at this vent. Lots of repairs being done. Not looking good. Folks, this roof got replaced 5 years ago. It probably cost them about a good $6,000-7,000 to replace this roof. And guess what? It needs to be replaced again. And it's gonna cost way more than $6,000-7,000 because now I have to rip everything up, do it, start at the bottom, make sure everything looks good, and then reinstall it correctly. So if anything, these homeowners are gonna have to pay double. And that sucks. Do your due diligence. Make sure that you are hiring a qualified roofer, and you know, make sure that they know what they're doing, that they're qualified, that they're Owens Corning preferred contractor. They have insurance. You're doing whatever you can to make sure that these guys are legit. So anyway, thanks for spending some time with me. We'll see you guys on the next one. Cheaper is not always better. Do a little bit of homework on what you want if you're gonna live here for a long time. Otherwise, you're gonna have to pay double. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I just got done with that homeowner, and let me give you what happened. He had a hailstorm come through his area, had some door knockers come to his house. They came to terms for the roof replacement. They also told him that they would waive his deductible. His deductible was about $1,600. They waived it, and he thought, man, I'm getting a great deal because I'm not having to come out of pocket. The insurance is going to pay for everything. So, which they did. But he also didn't pay his deductible. That means that $1,600 got to get cut somewhere. So after inspecting this roof, I can tell that they didn't have a qualified installer, and so maybe the guy was cheaper. And now even looking at the materials, it looks like the materials weren't up to my standards. They're only 5 years old and they look really bad. So I feel like he went the cheaper route and now he's having to pay for it all over again. So once again, this whole video is based on going cheaper is not always the right way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.